Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding very easy. To begin, gather your simple ingredients: milk, sugar, cornstarch, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla extract. You will also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Fresh ingredients are key for the best flavor, so check your pantry before you begin. Next, combine your dry ingredients, typically sugar and cornstarch, directly in the saucepan. Whisk them together thoroughly to prevent any lumps. Then, slowly pour in the cold milk while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps create a smooth mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly with your whisk. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking. As the mixture heats, you will notice it begin to thicken. Keep stirring until it reaches a gentle boil, which is when it will achieve its full thickness. Once it reaches your desired consistency, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Now is the perfect time to stir in your flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring they are well incorporated throughout the warm pudding. Finally, carefully pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 2 hours, or until it is completely cold and set. Then serve and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.